needed to like pick it up a little bit so that everybody can see so far. So look at that. It is a party right now.
Now let's add the mixin. Just young grinded coconut. It's not too young though, because the younger the coconut, the thinner the meat, and that's not mutton. But when it gets to this consistency where you can grind it off the shell, then that's mutton. Otherwise, if it's too hard, it's medium.
Yes.
Yeah. So you ready for the lemon?
All right.
Ingredient?
Oh yeah, hit me. Oh my goodness, it's so good already. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry. Just getting a little too excited here.
Alright, so while Keel's mixing all this, I'm going to go and check the ribs. Come on, Monkey, help me back. So here's the chicken Kelaguen that Miss Hilary and I made. And thank you so much,
Yes,
Hilary,
of course. Thank you so much more.
I did, and of course we're going to eat it.
Oh yeah, that's the best part. That's why I'm here.
Right, finadeli, simple finadeli to eat with whatever you like to eat. And in a minute, we'll be checking the red rice. Thank you so much for watching the first episode of Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. Thank you to Miss Hilary and Agulto for joining us and helping, which is very important.
You're welcome.
The dishes.
Thank you so much also. Can't wait to eat it.
Right? And see you next episode. This is Mossy Brand.
Adios.